Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we are discussing live streaming, specifically a Q&A that I am very excited about. I'm looking to make this a regular thing, and I am looking to bring it online on Locals. So it'll be over on Integrity Legal, that's all one word, integritylegal.locals.com. And you can go over there and join us on there. And what I'm looking to do is a regular live stream. And so I'm looking to do a regular live stream session for our viewer, for anybody that wants to join us on Locals. Okay? Now, this is also kind of a video regarding program notes and kind of a change of the way we're doing things here at the firm. So a couple of things. First of all, henceforth, you will no longer be seeing anything announcing free consultations. So for those who have watched this channel for a prolonged period of time, free consultations are something that have been kind of a difficult thing for me to deal with, especially the last couple of years, because sort of the general public oftentimes, I guess, their notion of what a free consultation constitutes is very different from what I have felt it constitutes over the years. And, you know, that's been the cause of some consternation down the line. Long story short, we're no longer going to put that up anymore. That being said, nothing is going to change with respect to our protocols. We sometimes get people sending us messages and things that says, I've called many, many times, no one answers. Unfortunately, we're on the phone a lot. And when we are on the phone just keeps ringing until a line comes available, and then it switches us over to, and then that line switches over until somebody is available on the line. The best way to get in touch with us is and has always been via email. If you email us, you will get a response within 24 hours of the email on 24 business hours. So during the business days, during the week. And if you send something in on Friday, you'll definitely get back a response on a Monday. That said, again, this whole issue of free consultations has been a bit nettlesome, shall we say, over the past, especially the past 2 years. People really seem to have differing opinions on what that constitutes. We're just no longer going to say that anymore. That said, nothing's going to change in practice. If you want to send us an email, you will get a response from us regarding how we can assist. Now, that said, in lieu of that, and moving forward, I truly have always wanted to be out there providing much useful information, especially basic legal information and immigration information as I can. One of the reasons I created this channel, obviously there's a promotional aspect to it, but one of the main reasons I've created this channel is to provide up-to-date information to folks here in Thailand. I kind of consider it something of just sort of a service to folks, and I've been told it's very useful, and I'm glad it is. Nothing's going to change about this channel, by the way. I'm going to continue to make these videos and to provide relevant information as and when it comes up. That said, this streaming service is going to be something that, yes, it is going to be a paid service, and I urge you to go over there to Locals and look at all that. And if you're interested, go ahead and join us, give it a shot, and see if it's worth your while. But yes, it will be a service, but it will be recurring. So if over time you have multiple different questions, I suspect this might be especially useful for new folks moving into Thailand or who've just moved to Thailand, who just have little questions. Now, again, rule of reason here. This is not going to be something where you get on here with a 16-point question and copies of a bunch of documentation and things. That really does require sort of prolonged legal review, rendering of opinions, and that kind of thing. But it can still be substantive questions. I have no doubt about that. And I'm happy to talk through people through those things. And I think that it will be useful for folks over time. And I'm presuming we're going to go ahead and be able to archive some of that stuff so that it can become a major resource on its own for folks who are looking for information about how to do things here in Thailand in a bit deeper manner. Again, YouTube is what it is. I've used this platform, and I really love YouTube, quite frankly, and I'm really happy with the use of this platform. And if you go to the resources section of our website, legal.co.th, you'll also see we've got a ton of resources over there of information that we've provided over the years. But yeah, I suspect being able to do this in a Q&A format is going to be much more conducive to even more detailed information. Again, not going to be something where we're going to get into your specific case and exactly what you need to do, because I imagine there'll be more than one person queued up in any given chat who has questions of their own. It's going to be a matter of pointing you to the right body of law. Again, it'll go to a certain level of depth, but it may not go, you know, all the way to drilling down on exactly what specific little thing you need. But I'm going to try. And again, I'm looking at this being a regular thing. So if we do get some membership in there, you know, if you've got ongoing questions, something you're dealing with, then we can talk about that at the prescribed time. I'll just set aside a block of time each week to be able to talk to the folks who go ahead and join our locals. So again, this is going to be a live stream, kind of a Q&A format, sort of an Ask Me Anything format, and I'm really looking forward to it, and we hope to see you soon. As far as when is the first one going to be, tentatively, I have this scheduled for Tuesday of next week. I'm going to go ahead and put it up on the screen because I'm forgetting what that exact date is, but we'll go ahead and put it up Tuesday, July 2023 will be the first date. Go ahead and put the date on the screen, but this coming Tuesday, it looks like, and it'll be at 6 p.m. Bangkok time. I'm looking to have that up and going. If we have some kind of problem, I'll go ahead and update people on this channel. But look forward to that and look forward to seeing you over there on Locals. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below. And please go ahead and look at that because we're really looking forward to going sort of something of it. We're going to continue doing what we're doing, but I'm looking to kind of augment this and go in a slightly different direction and maybe be able to provide folks with a little more in-depth information in a reasonable manner.